We are going to go over your zero defect action framework. The next section is going to talk about what you're going to take back home with you to your companies. There are 5 areas on this wheel. You have process, which is process control and capability. This ensures that you have a stable and capable manufacturing process. People, which is culture. Create true team engagement and support development, a zero defect culture, and reduce human error through human factors. Depth, manufacturing technology, identifying areas that will need new capabilities to achieve zero defect standards. Breadth, supply chain development, deployment of AS 13100 standard, and develop capabilities in all supplier tiers. And parts, achieving zero defect parts, CPK greater than 1.33, and NPI and part transfer, implementing APQ, PMP PAT. Carol, get it together. Key points of a zero defect action framework: vision, resources, engagement. Here you're going to identify the top 3 priority areas to improve in your company. Vision in 3 years. For each item, define the action plan initiative to achieve the target in a 1-year time frame. And then finally, start with immediate actions with owners and due date in 3 months.
Okay, so considering this framework, we'd like you to do some action planning for each of you. So there is a worksheet in each table for each of you. So please pick up those sheets, one for each, and please try to fill in the next 15 minutes. And this is just an exercise for everyone to set a vision and then break those to some period of action, and finally break down those to detailed action for everyone, each one in the company. So. And this is a format of the worksheet, which is created from the left. That is a goal by the end of 2027. So this will be the column that you want to fill your vision at the end of next 3 years. At next 3 years. And considering the time, please try to identify 3 top priority areas from the framework and combine with your company's vision at the same time, and try to picture what it should be look like at that time. So that's a vision section. And in the middle, there's a plan or initiatives that you want to take at the next 1 year, which will be creating some step toward the 3-year period. So it might not be a final state, but you want to set some target at that time. So that's the first year. And then, lastly, at the right-hand side column, please try to identify the immediate actions that you need to take with a due date and owners for each of your company. So that's what we would like you to exercise at this time. And please bring this back to your company and discuss further in detail to have more detailed action for each framework. So next 15 minutes. would be until 5 minutes to 1. Correct? Okay, so please start. And if you have any question, please raise your hand. And there's a Slido question now. That if you could share one of your immediate action, appreciate it. So.
Okay, all executives meet and agree on the quality mindset goal. Obtain leadership buy-in. That's a good one. Identify the issue. Training management program. Get tooling engineers involved with poor performing tools. Get management buy-in. Define most critical areas. Identify the issue. Gather data. Fine-tune process controls. Train staff on APQP tools. Create videos on quality topics for all employees to see. I love that. Whoever K is, that's a good one. DOE for casting surface condition improvements. Generate ZD training and work on schedule to execute training. Define RACI roles. I love that. Who is supposed to do what? Increase proficient team size by 50%. Very aggressive goal. SMT responsibilities defined and accepted for all functions, not just ME and QEs. That's also a RACI, it sounds like. Set audacious improvement goals. Okay. Functional team meetings to discuss APQP and assign roles. ZD awareness. Execute product safety awareness training. Still have 4 folks typing. And it's good for everyone to see this so that everyone kind of sees what everyone is working with. There seems to be some combined themes. First, what is the true issue that we want to fix? How do we train our team? And then how do we get management buy-in? That seems like the top 3 just by looking at this. Customer flow down of requirements and understanding of those requirements. Acceptance criteria better defined. Create list of 4 process area PFMEAs that can be worked 1 per quarter. Interface with customers to improve flow down of requirements. Shared responsibility. I like adding the customer as part of the buy-in. That's always a good thing. Identify MPI projects that are good candidates to stimulate the APQP process. Thanks. This is really good. Next question. Can you please give us an indication of your level of confidence that your zero defect project can be completed? Wow, okay. I think there's about 50 folks in here, so I will let the number at the top right get to about 43, 48 or so. So I think the majority of folks feel like they're confident that they can actually enact their zero defect project, which is good. This lets us know, are we empowering you, are we training you so that you can be effective? Right, Jun-san?
Yeah, at the beginning of the day, we had the same question, and it was about 50% confident, and very confident about 10 to 50%. And after all these sessions, now we have 65% confident, and also very confident 20%. So that means we had a lot of gain in this session.
Yes, give yourselves a hand for that.
Thank you.